So this is example number 3. So in this one, it is given that there is beta minus decay. So thorium is getting converted into palladium. So thorium is getting converted into palladium and one beta minus or electron is released. So we need to find the heat released, and the formula of heat release is difference between the mass of reactant nuclei and product nuclei. So mass of thorium minus mass of palladium into 931.5 mega electron volt. So that will be our formula. So just substitute the values here. So mass of thorium they have given 234.04359. Now please remember this one. In this formula, it's not mass of reactant minus mass of product, because mass of this electron we won't be considering. The formula will be mass of the reactant nuclei like thorium minus mass of product nuclei like palladium. If let's say some other nuclei was also being released, something, let's say T, then it will be mass of thorium minus mass of palladium plus mass of T. We will neglect the mass of electron in this one. So it will be difference between the masses of these two. So 234.04330 into 931.5 mega electron volt. So on solving this one, we will get the answer, and that answer will be around 0.27 mega electron volt. Okay. Next is, again it is beta minus decay. Okay, so again it will be mass. We are again supposed to, let's say if we need to calculate the energy, so again energy released in this process will be difference between the masses of gold reactant nuclei and mass of product nuclei Hg into 931.5 mega electron volt. That will be our formula. Okay, but in this one, okay, gold nuclei gets disintegrated into some excited state of mercury nuclei. That's why it is represented as a star. So this mercury nuclei represents a mercury nucleus in excited state at energy 1.088 mega electron volt above ground state. So what can be the maximum kinetic energy of the electron emitted? Okay, so first let's calculate the value of heat released. So mass of gold is given as 197.968233 minus mass of mercury is given as 197.966760 into 931.5 mega electron volt. Okay. Now it is also given that the energy of mercury nuclei is 1.088 mega electron volt above the ground state. So heat released will be actually given by, we have to subtract 1.088 mega electron volt. So that will be in total heat release. Now why we are subtracting this one? If it didn't had any kinetic energy, then this will be our formula. Since there is some kinetic energy also which is being given to the mercury nuclei, we have to subtract that kinetic energy such that we will be able to find what is the heat released in the process. Okay, because if kinetic energy was zero, some energy is being consumed in giving the kinetic energy to mercury nuclei. So that energy we have to reduce or we have to subtract so that we are able to find heat released. So on solving this equation, we will get heat released as 0.2833 mega electron volt. So that will be our heat value, okay, or Q value of this reaction. Okay. Now, what can be the maximum kinetic energy of the electron emitted? Okay, so that will be also same like maximum possible kinetic energy of the electron emitted will be same. So answer will be 0.2833 mega electron volt, because this much is the heat released. Okay, 0.2833 mega electron volt. This heat can be absorbed by the electron or this beta minus particle, and then it can start moving with some kinetic energy. So the maximum energy which it can absorb is 0.2833 mega electron volt. So our answer will be this one. Okay, thank you.